This is the greatest hour for the church. A season has arrived where we will see revivals break out all over the earth. Every nation will experience an awakening. Heaven declares this morning that our awakening has come, Frontline Church. Your mandate has been received. Your purpose has been determined, and your destiny is intact. The prophetic nature of your name was established by design. You will be taken to the front line, and you cannot exist there without His presence. I'm creating capacity in your hearts and lives, declares the Lord. For every word spoken over you will come to pass. Remember your festivals and feasts of old, but do not camp there. When you look back, let the utterance of your lips be in honor of the God who provided and was glorified then. It is important to build monuments of what God has done and to celebrate them, but we cannot live there. This is a new dispensation. This is a new season for the church to be awakened. God is shaking the foundation. This is not just happening here at Frontline. It is happening in every congregation that is seeking His face and wants to please the mandate of heaven. God is moving the church. God is mobilizing the church. The church will not be a comfortable place anymore. The church will be a place where we find purpose and call and answer the call of God. You see, we see a new breed of worshipers creating atmospheres for breakthrough. Come on. In every strata of society, restoring lives and transforming cities and nations.